Today we have Ahmed Raza, the captain of United Bank Limited, with us. First of all, good evening.
Good evening.
How do you feel about your team's performance in this ongoing KFC T20?
I believe we've played very well up to now. We've reached the quarterfinals, and the team performance has been very good. We've gelled in very well during the course of the tournament, and looking forward to reach as far as possible, probably inshallah lifting the KFC Cup.
Okay. How was your experience playing at the 3 international venue?
Great. Actually, we missed out on playing in Dubai Stadium, but our games were we started in Sharjah, and then we had 2 games in Abu Dhabi. So we didn't get the opportunity to play in Dubai Stadium, which I'm sure my players missed out as well. But it was great. It was a great experience.
Would you have anything to say about the ECB board taking this initiative of conducting the Emirates T20 Challenge?
Well, I believe it's the first tournament which has been conducted by Emirates and DCDC. So, hats off to them. This tournament has been amazing as of now, till now, and managing with all the councils. And it was my experience when we went to Abu Dhabi and we saw a Sharjah umpire umpiring there, which was not very usual. We haven't seen that for years now. I've been playing for ECB for 10 odd years now. Haven't seen that before. So hats off to them.
And what would be your strategy for the upcoming matches or the tournaments which your team is focusing on?
We are in this tournament. We are playing the quarterfinals, so inshallah we're looking forward to for the next games in this tournament. There's a couple of tournaments back in Abu Dhabi which UBL is taking part in. We missed out on the Ajman Cricket Council tournament, which is held in GCA. We lost in that, so we have just 1 game left over there, but that's dead rubber. We're looking forward to this tournament and a couple of tournaments which are going on in Abu Dhabi. So, trying to finish the season on a high note.
Sure. What do you think basically should be a strategy for a club cricket team over here in Emirates to be among the top flight?
That's a tough one. Actually, this season by far has been the best season I've seen from the time I've started playing. It's because of the imports the teams got from Pakistan, from Sri Lanka, even from West Indies. This raises the standard of cricket, of domestic cricket, and this will obviously give a good result in the UAE cricket when UAE is taking part in international cricket. So I think these tournaments have really benefited the UAE cricket, and it will benefit inshallah in the future.
Thank you for your time once again.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Any more questions?